Hello student, today we will discuss how we can find the factorial of a given number using the Python program. So before going to start write the Python program, first we will discuss what is the factorial of a number. So as mentioned, the factorial in the mathematics, the product of all positive integer less than or equal to given positive integer and denoted by the integer and an exclamation point. For example, thus the factorial of 5 is written as a 5 exclamations, meaning 1 into 2 into 3 into 4 into and a 5. The factorial of a 5 is a 120. So you can change any number, like you can write a 7, 8, 10, 100, the 1000. How we can find the factorial of any given number in the Python program? So first we will open our Python interpreter. You can say ideally in the Python, ideally we will write our program in the script mode today. So first of all we will go to file and we click on the new. In this we will use the our first variable n, which you want to find factorial of number. N means number. I'm giving the type means integer. We will need to the positive integer, so we will enter your positive integer. Then we will need an input from the user, because user will enter the number. Enter the number to find the factorial. Okay. Then need a variable fact 1. I'm giving the fact as a 1 because we can't use 0 in the factorial. So I am starting from the 1 and I'm using the loop for I in range from 1 comma n plus 1 and increment value is a 1. Okay, so before, so now I'm using the fact equal to fact into I, and I'm printing the value of the factorial. So I'm writing the factorial of, using the now n, I'm using n, then comma, the factorial of n is equal to comma fact. The factorial of n is fact, because I'm storing the factorial in the fact. This is my given number by the user. So I will save the file first, and I'm saving the file on my location. For example, I'm storing at a desktop in the Python folder. I'm using the fact as name, and now I'm running the file with the run module. So it's running. Enter the number to find the factorial. First I'm changing the this mistake thing. So I'm writing the find here. Okay, then I'm going to discuss now. Okay, now and enter the number to find factorial. For example, I'm entering the 5. The factorial of 5 is 120. Okay, and you can enter the more value. For example, I'm entering the value of 8, and it's saying the 8 factorial is of 40321. How we can check this is correct or not? You can directly multiply now, like according to given example, 1 into 2 into 3 into 4 into 5 into 6 into 7 into 8. This is the actual of factorial. How we can check the factorial? So giving the result same as like this. So our program is correct. So thank you, and you can check the program, that this is code, and you can change this file because it will show properly on the screen. Okay, this is the program of finding factorial. Thank you.